5 Best Crypto Exchanges Apps in India. Number 5. Mudrex. Mudrex stands out as the best crypto app for investing in cryptocurrency because of its intuitive user interface, diverse selection of tokens, curated crypto baskets, and strong customer support. Mudrex prioritizes security within the cryptocurrency space. As India's most compliant platform, it maintains strict KYC and FIU standards alongside robust security measures to protect investor assets. For additional support, Mudrex offers a dedicated team to assist users. Mudrex security features: mandatory two-factor authentication, 2FA, FIU, PMLA, and GDPR compliant. Mudrex minimum deposits is 100 Indian rupees. Number 4. CoinDCX. CoinDCX, launched in 2018, is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange in India, known for its swift fiat to crypto conversions, drawing liquidity from global exchanges like Binance. As a centralized platform, it's registered in Singapore and offers a wide array of coins and trading pairs. CoinDCX has gained a reputation as one of India's largest and safest exchanges, with a valuation of $1.1 billion, reflecting its significant standing in the cryptocurrency marketplace. CoinDCX security features: mandatory two-factor authentication, 2FA, encrypted user data, multi-sig cold wallets, regular security audits, BitGo insurance up to $100 million, DDoS protection. CoinDCX minimum deposits is 500 Indian rupees. Number 3. CoinSwitch. CoinSwitch has emerged as a formidable player in the cryptocurrency exchange market in India. It distinguishes itself by aggregating liquidity from other leading exchanges, allowing users to trade cryptocurrencies at some of the best available rates. CoinSwitch security features: industry standard security measures, such as data encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage. CoinSwitch minimum deposits is 100 Indian rupees. Number 2. Vazax. Vazax, a rapidly expanding cryptocurrency exchange in India, boasts over 60 lakh registered users. It offers a high liquidity, auto-matching peer-to-peer, P2P, platform in addition to an exchange, making transactions straightforward for its growing user base. Key features: P2P platform. Vazax features a P2P platform where buyers and sellers can transact directly with Vazax acting as the escrow agent. Vazax security features: mandatory two-factor authentication, 2FA, FIU, PMLA, and GDPR compliant. Vazax minimum deposits is 100 Indian rupees. Number 1. ZebPay. Launched initially in 2014 by Maheen Gupta, Sandeep Goenka, and Saurabh Agrawal, ZebPay quickly ascended to become one of the country's largest platforms for cryptocurrency trading. As of 2023, boasting over 3 million users, ZebPay offers a user-friendly trading environment with features like Lightning Network payments and zero deposit fees. This makes it a strong contender in the crypto space. ZebPay operates in Australia and Singapore in addition to India. ZebPay security features: mandatory two-factor authentication, 2FA, FIU, PMLA, and GDPR compliant. ZebPay minimum deposits is 12 Indian rupees.